Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 10 Training in Sports Part 4 Speed Definitions, Types and Methods to Develop Speed, Acceleration, Run and Pace Run. Speed, quickness of movement of limb, whether this is the leg of a runner or arm of the shot putter. In other terms, speed is known as the ability to make rapid movements of the same type in the shortest possible time. Barrow and McGee define speed as the capacity of an individual to perform successive movements of the same pattern at a fast rate. Next, types of speed. First, reaction ability. It is the ability to react effectively and quickly to signal. In sports, signals can be of different types such as tactile and visual. In games and sports, reaction ability is not only significant in order to react quickly to a signal, but the reaction should also be accurate according to situation. There are two types of reaction ability: simple reaction ability and complex reaction ability. Second, movement speed. It is the ability to do a single movement in minimum of time. Movement speed is of high relevance in cyclic sports. In cyclic sports, it is important in initial phase. It depends upon technique, explosive strength, flexibility, and coordinative abilities. Third, acceleration ability. It is the ability to achieve high speed of locomotion from stationary position or from a low moving position. Generally, sprinters achieve their maximum speed after approximately 6 seconds. This ability mainly depends upon explosive strength, technique, and flexibility. Fourth, speed endurance. It is the ability to do sports movements with high speed under condition of fatigue. It is a combination of speed and endurance abilities. It also depends upon technique, local muscular endurance, and lactic acid tolerance abilities. Fifth, locomotor abilities. It is the ability to maintain maximum speed for maximum time for distance. This ability is significant in only a few sports events such as 100-meter, 200-meter, 400-meter races, short sprints in track cycling, speed skating, swimming, hockey, football, etc. Next, methods to develop speed. Speed is the product of genetic and environmental factors. Regarding the genetic factor, nothing can be changed. As a matter of fact, each individual has fast twitch fibers and slow twitch fibers. If an individual has more percentage of fast twitch fibers, his or her movements will be faster. On the other hand, if an individual has more percentage of slow twitch fibers, he will have more endurance or stamina. The percentage of these muscles fibers cannot be changed. First, acceleration runs. It is the ability to increase speed from jogging to running and finally sprinting. It depends on explosive strength, frequency of movement, and technique. to attain maximum speed from a stationary position. This is practiced after learning proper technique. Second, pace runs or races. Pace races means running the whole distance of a race at a constant speed. In pace races, an athlete runs the race with uniform speed. Generally, 800-meter and above races are included in pace races. A competitive pace race is a timed race in which the objective is not to finish in the least time out to finish within the prescribed time and in the best physical condition. In some races, the prescribed time is very narrowly defined, and the winner is the competitor who finishes closest to the prescribed time. Complete recovery in insured, ensured between two repetitions. This means to running the whole distance of a race at a constant speed. Pace races or runs are helpful in maintaining the speed for approximately 20 to 45. This speed is maintained throughout this distance. Okay, thanks.